This 2026 Coachmen Catalina Destination Series 44 condo is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Edinburgh, Indiana, 46124 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Indianapolis. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features a driftwood interior, sleeps 11, slide-out, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bunkhouse, front bath, loft, rear kitchen, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.